Hi everyone, this is Jingo, and in this video, it's really very short. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo on how to toggle on the auto advanced matching. Kasi kung hindi kayo familiar sa dashboard ng bagong business manager, mahihirapan kayo. So, I have to show you how to navigate into that part. Alright, so inside your business settings, ayan, all you have to do is just click this, yung maraming dot na yan, and then go to Events Manager. Alright, so dito makikita nyo yung mga list ng pixels ninyo. Yung pixel na ginagamit nyo, yung present pixel na ginagamit nyo, i-click nyo yan. And then, pupunta po kayo dito sa settings. And then, scroll down. And there you go. Ayan na po yung automatic advanced matching. Kailangan nyo pong i-toggle on yan. And, that's it. Ganun lang kadali. That's all. Alright? So, thank you. And I'll see you next video.